Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Eleni and today I'm going to try out some new art supplies that I got recently. I was intrigued to check out some chalk pastels by Stabilo after watching Jenny Mano's video. Jenny is a great artist and she also has a YouTube channel that I will link below. So I got this set of 24 Stabilo CarbOthello that are chalk pastel pencils that can be dry smudged, but you can also use them with water. I also got a set of FABER-Castell Polychromos pastels, sticks or crayons, whatever you want to call them, and I thought that I should try them out together with the CarbOthellos. I'm using a reference photo for this girl, but my purpose is not to paint her alike, but to help me see where to put shading on her face. I'll give you a link to the photo I'm using as a reference in the description box below. It is a royalty-free photo. That means that you can use it in your art without having copyright issues. And I will also give you a link to the site where you can find more of these royalty-free photos. I'm using blending stumps for smudging, but also my fingers. And as you know by now, I work intuitively. So as my reference photo is black and white, I use whatever color comes to mind. And the good thing with the pastels is that you can erase your mistakes with an ordinary eraser. So go choose a reference photo, take out any pastels that you may have, and just have fun with it. I think you can continue forever or just stop when you feel like it. So I'm going to stop here and let you know that you should put some layers of a fixative spray over this page because it is easily smudged, and it will also smudge the other page when you close your journal. I had fun with these pastels and I'm going to try different techniques with them in the future. So this is it. Hope you came along and played with me, and hope you had fun, maybe even learned something. Thank you for being here, and don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, but also click the bell beside the subscribe button, because this way you will be notified about my new videos. See you soon. Love and kisses.